decorations. Today we're going to do a crystal science kit by Dan and Darci. The first thing you have to do is grab a parent for them to help you boil some water.
All right. And you're going to need to fill the water level only to the line. I don't know if you can see it. There it is, the line. It's not that much.
Now I'm going to mix it. Now that we stirred, you have to sit for maybe 5 minutes.
All right, we'll catch it right back.
Now that it's been 5 minutes, I'm going to let my dad pour the water in the cup for me.
I think she wanted us to. Mate? She's got to be kidding.
I guess she wants more turtles.
I know what mate is. That is so not happening. And who's your hairy friend?
That's Coffee. These are his humans.
Now, Leo, didn't you say you wanted a purple crystal?
Yeah?
Well, what colors would you need to make a purple crystal?
Really? Blue
Okay.
and red.
Red and blue. Yep, that's right. All right. Now, how many scoops are you going to need, Leo?
So since I wanted a big crystal, I will need to get 2 scoops of each one.
That's right. 2 scoops of the red and 2 scoops of the blue. Go ahead and put it in. Make sure you don't dump it all out. All right.
I can already see the blues. We're going to sail on this show for 5 days, and we're going to show you how it looks like by day.
All right. Really can't tell much of a difference. Day 1. Today is day 2. I'll give you a clue. Don't use too much blue. Yeah, I forgot to mention, the instructions did say use a little less blue if you want more of a light purple. I think this is going to be maybe more of a dark blue or maybe a darker purple, but I do see a purplish tint. Day 3. It's getting crazy.
It is day 4. The crystal grew much bigger.
It's getting there.
Today is day 5. My dad is going to dump out the water carefully, and we're going to show y'all guys what it looks like. It grew so big. I didn't know it was going to be so big like this, and so purple and dark.
It's crazy. We didn't put any stuff on the outside, but there you guys have it.
Carefully dry it off, and now it's ready to go on display.
Put the lid on.
Thanks for watching, and come and hit the like button and come and watch every single video that we make.
All right. See you later.